Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, most attractive, most amazing, most wearing collection of crochet from and neck warmer designs, different color designs ideas in front of you. You can see different style, different ideas. You can see same color, multicolor and combination also in front of you. Most attractive, most creative pattern designs and ideas for creative and beautiful ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. So dear friends, I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet neck warmer designs and others, leg warmer designs and crochet woman top designs, crochet woman bracelet designs, crochet women's skirts and long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve dresses, half sleeve dresses and sleeveless also, shoulder also and one shoulder dresses, crochet woman poncho designs, crochet woman caplet design, circular jacket design, crochet woman sweater designs and open jacket designs also, crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and in jewelry crochet woman necklace designs, crochet woman finger ring designs, and feet jewelry like crochet woman anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.